Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Candy if you're new to the channel, and let me just take the time out to say a happy new year to everyone. If this is my first time back, I believe it is, so hope you're doing well for 2023. All right, so for today's video guys, surprisingly it's not a crochet video. I'm doing a Afro Kinky Twist hairdo, and I'm using this hair. Yes, it's from Amazon. I believe it's called Youngther. I will leave the link down below as usual, and you guys can definitely check it out. What I did was I cut it in half because the style is going to be shoulder length. Yes, so I did go ahead and cut that. I'm using my Let's Jam, yeah, conditioning jam, just to sleek down my roots, make the hair look nice and neat and tame down all those flyaways. Yes, so I'm starting off as per usual in the back area. And for this style, you want to braid the hair in before you start twisting. Otherwise, you might find that you will experience unnecessary slipping. So the safest bet is to braid it first. So I'm going ahead and starting off with a braid, maybe about a 3/4 inch to an inch. Yes. And after the braiding portion is completed, I just transition into a 2-strand twist. And this is not going to be a tight rope-like twist. It's going to be a nice, effortless, soft twist because the hair is going to end up becoming pretty springy once it's braided, or once it's twisted rather. And one other thing that I need to point out to you, you have to test the twisting direction to figure out what's the correct direction in which to twist the hair, and you will know immediately after twisting. Once you release the twist, you will see if it looks as if the hair is almost very defined. The twist should be very defined once you're done twisting, and not looking all kinked up. If it looks kinky, then that's not the look that I'm going for today. Yes, it can be done that way if you're going for that look, but for today's look, where the hair is nice and defined, you just have to test to see what direction gives you that. All right, so once we have those flyaways at the end, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I twist it all the way down. All right, and the stragglers is a no-no, so yeah, gonna go ahead and trim those off for a nice seamless finish. All right, so let's repeat the process. I'm just separating my own hair into 3 sections as you would with any braid, and you just go ahead and attach the hair and start braiding it in. Now guys, some of the things that I love about this hair, for one, it's super duper natural. It has a natural look. It is absolutely lightweight. And thirdly, the hair is very realistic. Yeah. So if you want something that's low maintenance, something that you don't have to, spend too much time and effort in, keeping up, then this hair is the one for you. And every now and again, I go ahead and add some more of the Let's Jam, just to make sure the hair is not frizzy, and that it smooths down any flyaway during the twisting process. All right. And guys, how the hair comes in on Amazon, it comes in a package, and the package has, like, I believe 7 different smaller packages of hair. I don't believe that I used more than 3/4 of the amount. You definitely can, go ahead and use whatever amount you choose to, depending on how small you make your twists, you know, or if you use it full length, that would determine. But because I cut mine in half, I literally ended up with double the amount, and as such, I only, used a portion of the package for my style. Shout out to my Jamaican shirt. Big up on yourself, my Jamaican people. Big up on yourself. Alright, so yeah, let me go ahead and continue with my twisting. Alright, so off camera, I went ahead and just, installed quite a bit of the back portion, and I'm almost to the very middle. So let me go ahead now and try to finish up that back portion, and then I can start on the front. You can see me there showing you guys, the technique that I use to braid, which is to make sure that the top braids fall in between two of the ones in the previous row, if you understand what I mean. And that's how I get my hair to look nice and full, by ensuring you don't just put a random twist. You have to be very strategic in terms of the placement of each twist, and that would determine how nice and full your style looks. Right? I also have a dedicated video that I did showing you how to make kinky twists full. So I will definitely link that one below too, so that you guys can go ahead and watch that one. All right, so overnight I, pretty much left half of the hair undone. It was getting late, and so I definitely could not stay up to do everything. So I completed the first half or the back portion, and now I'm gonna this morning continue with the front. All right. So my technique is I always part the hair and twist it in the direction of how I plan to wear it, where I want my parting to be, and that's why I'm separating that smaller portion over the right side of my head, or was it the left side of my head? One of the sides of my head. And now I am going ahead and starting to part off my section over the opposite side so that I can start installing those twists. All right, and I'm doing them fairly small. I would say that these are on the smaller side. And I just love how the ends of the hair just naturally coils and curls, the way your own hair would. And yeah, that's just giving me a nice natural vibe. So here you would notice that I made a clean middle part, so that I have the option if I wanted to wear the hair as a side part or as a middle part. So that's what I'm doing here, making a nice defined middle part, and then just going ahead and continuing with the installation process. All right, so that section is done. So I'm now going to be working on the final section, which is the final quarter. All right, and through the magic of the internet, voila, we are all done. Oh my gosh, I am loving the hair. It looks so nice. I'm so pleased with the quality of the hair, how nice and full the style is, and the fact that it looks absolutely believable and natural. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and as usual, I will talk to you on my next one. Bye.